What if you could earn secure, inflation-proof, double-digit returns from property investment while improving the lives of the UK population? This isn't your typical buy-to-let. This is specialist supported housing, a smarter, more ethical way to invest. Let's look at the smart features first. We offer apartments and houses across the UK for cash buyer prices that start from £140,000, providing income from day one at exceptional yields. The properties are managed by a community benefit society who are paid rent by the Department for Work and Pensions, meaning as a landlord, you don't need to lift a finger. Under the lease, costs such as the service charge, ground rent and maintenance are covered for you, with annual, upwards-only rent reviews over a long lease term. And the ethical aspect? You get to help provide much-needed accommodation for adults with learning difficulties or mental health issues. This is an investment that has a real social impact. To find out more about investing in this sector, register now for details of current opportunities and a TKI Residential consultant will be in touch.